coming to you guys from Miami. This video is gonna be in front of a video. I got to share this with you guys. My baby girl, Ebony, tore down the house. My goodness, awesome. You guys don't get to really see her because I was sitting down recording. I was trying to get my husband to stand up and go in the back and record, but it was kind of packed, and I understood, and because I wasn't finna step all over people to go in the back to record, so I sat down and I recorded her. Dang! I mean, Ebony was out of, I don't know how many students. I was going to have the paper and everything to show you guys. But it probably was about maybe 25 to 30 students. I think it was 30 students. I know 2 years ago she had 30 students, so maybe 31 students or somewhere in there. But anyway, out of all of these people playing, Ebony was the second to the last, and her teacher was the last person of people that played her and her cousin. And we was like, why she gotta be last, you know? And after everybody played so beautifully, everybody did such a wonderful job. I mean, awesome. But my baby went up there and tore it up. I mean, oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoy this video because, I mean, people was just, that's your daughter? Is that your, you know that little girl? I mean, the whole, you know, when everybody had finished playing, everybody was, I wish I could have recorded, but people were clapping. But when Ebony got finished, I was going to say, woo, woo! And I was like, what? And the whole place was like, woo, woo! And I'm like, not everybody, but you know, a lot of people are like, oh my gosh. And there's not many people of color was there, you know, and I'm like, oh my gosh. And then people like, oh my gosh. And I looked over at my husband, this proud man of God, just all blushing and just like, that's my baby, you know, just all excited. Ebony really touched. I always tell Ebony, you're going to minister to people. So it's not about you. You just do, you see God first, pray, and then you just go do what you got to go do. So I hope y'all enjoy this because it really touched me and a whole lot of people and my husband. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye.
Okay.